How to get the most out of ChatGPT free plan in 2026. Did you know the ChatGPT free plan is actually more powerful than most people realize? And with the right strategies, you can get significantly more out of it without spending a single dollar. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering how to maximize every single feature of the ChatGPT free plan in 2026. Let us go. First, here is what the free plan actually includes right now. As of May 2026, the free tier gives you access to GPT-5 Instant, the same powerful model that paid users get, but with a limit of 10 messages every 5 hours. After you hit that limit, the chat automatically switches to the mini version until your 5-hour window resets. You also get web search, image uploads, file uploads, image generation, access to custom GPTs, and limited memory. That is an incredibly strong feature set for $0. The key is using it smartly. Tip 1. Combine your questions into one powerful message. This is the single most important tip for free users. Instead of sending 3 or 4 separate short messages asking one thing at a time, combine everything into one detailed, well-structured prompt. For example, instead of asking what is SEO, then how does it work, then give me tips. Combine it all into one message and ask ChatGPT to explain what SEO is, how it works, and give you 5 actionable tips in one response. This gets you far more value from each message and stretches your 10-message limit much further. Tip 2. Use ChatGPT during off-peak hours. Free users get significantly better response quality and faster speeds when server demand is low, typically early mornings, late evenings, or weekends. During peak hours, free users are deprioritized and response quality can drop noticeably. Schedule your important ChatGPT sessions during quieter times for the best experience on the free plan. Tip 3. Start a new chat for every new topic. Long conversations use up your context window and can make ChatGPT less accurate over time as it tries to process too much earlier content. Starting a fresh chat for each new topic keeps responses sharp, accurate, and fast, and prevents your conversation from getting cluttered with irrelevant earlier messages. Tip 4. Use the web search feature for current information. Free users have access to ChatGPT's built-in web search, a feature that was previously exclusive to paid plans. When you need up-to-date information about news, prices, events, or anything that changes over time, start your message with Search the Web for, and ChatGPT will pull live current results for you for free. Tip 5. Upload images and files to save time. Free users can upload photos, screenshots, PDFs, and documents directly into ChatGPT. Use this to analyze receipts, summarize documents, explain charts, translate text and images, or get help with anything visual. This feature alone replaces several paid tools, and it is completely free on the basic plan. Tip 6. Use memory to your advantage. ChatGPT Free includes limited memory, which means it can remember important things about you across conversations. Tell ChatGPT key information about yourself once, your profession, your goals, your preferences, and it will factor that into future responses automatically, without you having to explain yourself every single time. Tip 7. Use custom GPTs. The free plan gives you access to OpenAI's GPT store, where thousands of specialized GPTs are available completely free. There are custom GPTs for writing, coding, studying, fitness, language learning, and almost anything else you can think of. These specialized versions often outperform the standard ChatGPT for specific tasks, and they cost nothing extra on the free plan. Tip 8. Plan your 5-hour window carefully. When your 10-message limit resets every 5 hours, treat each reset like a fresh session. Before you start typing, think about what you want to accomplish in that window. Prioritize your most important tasks first and work through them in order. Structured, intentional sessions always produce better results than random, scattered questions. Pro tip: if you hit your message limit and need to keep working, immediately open ChatGPT in a private or incognito browser window. The mini fallback model that activates after your limit is hit is still genuinely capable for basic writing, summarizing, and answering straightforward questions, so do not dismiss it entirely while you wait for your main limit to reset. So to recap, combine questions into single detailed prompts. Use ChatGPT during off-peak hours, start fresh chats for new topics, use web search for current information, upload files and images. Use memory to save context, explore custom GPTs, and plan your 5-hour window intentionally. Follow all 8 tips, and the ChatGPT free plan will take you much further than you ever thought possible. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips every week. Are you sticking with the free plan or thinking about upgrading? Drop your answer in the comments below. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.